Hey guys, affiliate marketing for beginners on YouTube, free traffic. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can get started with affiliate marketing for beginners. Affiliate marketing for beginners is really easy to get into. Just create a website or channel and start promoting products from companies that pay you a commission when people buy their products through your site or channel. The great thing about affiliate marketing is that it's cost-effective and easy to set up. So even if you're just starting out on YouTube or an online platform, this is a great way to start making money. Unlocking Affiliate Marketing Success, a beginner's guide for 2024. Embarking on the exciting journey of affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2024? Congratulations, you've chosen a dynamic and potentially lucrative field. Here's a friendly guide to help you navigate the affiliate marketing landscape and set the stage for success. 1. Understand the basics. Start with the fundamentals. Affiliate marketing is essentially a partnership between you, the affiliate, and a company, the merchant. You promote the merchant's products or services and earn a commission for every sale or action generated through your unique affiliate link. Choose your niche wisely. Select a niche you're passionate about or have some expertise in. This will make the journey more enjoyable and sustainable. Remember, your enthusiasm will resonate with your audience. Research affiliate programs. Explore reputable affiliate programs within your chosen niche. Look for programs with fair commission structures, quality products, and reliable tracking systems. Some popular affiliate networks include ShareASale, ClickBank, and Amazon Associates. 4. Build a platform. Establish your online presence through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media profiles. Consistency is key. Create valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Share your insights, tips, and product recommendations in an authentic and engaging manner. SEO is your friend. Optimize your content for search engines. Learn the basics of SEO to ensure your website or content ranks well on Google. This will drive organic traffic to your affiliate links, increasing your chances of conversions. Leverage social media. Utilize the power of social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Share your content, engage with your followers, and incorporate your affiliate links where relevant. Be genuine and avoid coming across as overly promotional. 7. Master email marketing. Build an email list from day one. Use lead magnets and incentives to encourage people to subscribe. Nurture your email subscribers with valuable content and occasional promotions. Email marketing can be a powerful tool for converting leads into customers. Choose products wisely. Promote products that align with your audience's needs and interests. Be selective and focus on quality over quantity. Your credibility is at stake, so only endorse products you genuinely believe in. Disclose your affiliation. Transparency is crucial. Always disclose your affiliate relationship in a clear and upfront manner. These builds trust with your audience and complies with legal requirements. Analyze and optimize. Regularly analyze your performance using analytics tools. Understand what works and what doesn't. Experiment with different strategies, track your results, and optimize your approach accordingly. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time and dedication. Stay patient, adapt to changes in the industry, and continuously educate yourself. Embrace the learning process, and before you know it, you'll be reaping the rewards of your efforts in the ever-evolving world of affiliate marketing. Happy marketing! Go to www.success13.com to learn more. If you want free traffic on YouTube to start building your affiliate business, go to www.success13.com. Also, hit the subscribe button for more tips on marketing.